Welcome back to Buy It Forever. This is just a really quick update on this Commodore 64 bread bin. So, from a previous video, you'll have seen, I'll just power it on. You've seen that there was sort of like a band moving down the screen. It just kind of slowly went down. Wasn't sure what that was originally. I suspected a couple of things, and mainly that had this replacement RF modulator connected with some sort of wires, which was a bit untidy anyway. But what I've actually done there is fix that by, I'll just show you, just move the camera down to show you. There you go, so it's properly soldered in now. The pin headers actually locate exactly onto the motherboard there, and that's been enough to get rid of all that interference, which is awesome. So this is like 100% in terms of the screen, keyboard, disk loading, joystick ports, it's all working. The only thing that doesn't work is the cassette port. I think that's, I've said in the previous video, I think that's a CIA chip, one of the interface adapter chips. But yeah, that's that working. Okay, thanks for watching. As usual, please subscribe, like and leave comment.